Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they...
Okay, so it is Sunday morning. And it is supposed to rain all day long, but it is lightning, thundering, and like pouring down rain. So okay, y'all, so it has been a really lazy day. The rain has kind of stopped, so that's a plus. But what I'm gonna do really quickly is get ready to make some spaghetti with some creamy marinara sauce, pasta sauce that is, that I picked up from Food Lion. I do have a couple of dishes to wash and get ready to go and lay back down on this couch. Lord knows I really don't want to wash these dishes, but they're not going to wash themselves. Thought I'd be able to take a nap today, being that I've been up since like 6:30, I think. I didn't. I'm not. But it's okay. It has been a lazy, rainy Sunday, and I'm feeling it now. Wishing I would have had a nap, but it's 1:45, and I'm just like, because I want to be able to like go to sleep later. So anyways, I'll show you guys what I've accomplished. So I went ahead and fixed some spaghetti earlier. It only took like 10-15 minutes. I also made these for my kids to do at work this week for their Christmas trees. So these are salt dough ornaments, and they're very easy to make. These are something that's just needing a straw hole, and then I'm gonna let them air dry overnight. From there, I'll take them to work tomorrow, or possibly put them in the oven in the morning if they're still not dry, but they should be. I made them like this using different cookie cutters. So if you're wanting to give that a try, check out my description box for the link for the cookie cutters, and I'll even put the recipe down in the description box so that you can make them yourself. Also got my dishes done. I don't have to worry about that later or whatever. I have all of the laundry done. Yay for that as well. Literally, it's raining, lazy Sunday. It's literally been raining all day since like 6:30. And this also helps me to get rid of trash, because At our house, we've never had a trash can for the city to pick up. So we always just resort to like taking it to our jobs, and because like I go straight to work in the morning, so I don't have to worry about it, I just take it with me. And then there's times like today where I'll take it with me and get Charles to dump it so that, you know, I get a break for a while from doing it. While I'm sitting here at this red light, earlier I was cleaning and I found my Teacher's Crate car air freshener that says Teacher's Gonna Teach. I thought I would bring it out and put it in the car. I've had this for a while now, and like as I'm smelling it now, it just smells so good, even though I've had it for a while. So yes, y'all, if I had to come out, I want some food. So I got me a strawberry freeze with the cream, the vanilla cream, and some nacho cheese fries with the good old cheese dip. Yeah, y'all, it's been a lazy Sunday. Still raining, and I just got out the shower, so it's 10 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Happy Monday, y'all. It is roughly 38 degrees outside. It's cold. I did not bring my gloves today, my scarf, because I put it in the washer. And of course I made coffee this morning and left it sitting right on the table. So, forget it. Anyways, so this morning I woke up and I got myself together and I went ahead and put in the ornaments into the oven because they weren't drying fast enough. So with me leaving it out for like basically not even 12, yeah, like 12 hours, it did dry some. So just putting it in the oven helped it. So I bought my paintbrushes and acrylic paint so that the kids can paint them this morning during purposeful play. Hopefully I can add in some pictures of what they come up with doing them. But anyways, it is just gonna be a long week because this is our last week before I go on my 2-week break for the holidays. So this is my last week to get any work done, which I don't have any. I need to do my final exam, which is worth 125 points. So I will get ready to do just that, probably today, maybe Wednesday. Tomorrow Cam has a winter concert. It's just like so much going on. And then, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do it today or Wednesday because Sky has a birthday party to go to on Thursday. You worth that sacrifice. It's the kind of love that my mama used to warn me about. I'm in trouble.